Hello, my name's Chris Taylor and I'm a tree surgeon. I'm a working arborist, so we work in a domestic tree side of it. A lot of the time we have a lot of climbing involved, so we prune trees, felling trees from an aerial perspective and also from the ground. I think I like the variation of the job the most. You know, some days you can have really good days climbing, and other days you have really good days working on the ground. It's nice to be able to do a bit of everything. When you have guys working with you, you can switch the jobs around and do a bit of everything. It's great being outside in the fresh air every day. So top-handled chainsaw is used when you're climbing and in the tree, and when you get onto the ground then you start using your rear-handled chainsaw for all the work that's ground-based. The benefits of having a top-handled chainsaw in the canopy of a tree is that it's much better balanced for working at height. It's a more compact unit than holding a rear-handled chainsaw. So it's frustrating with a traditional saw, you have to stop and start sawing a tree, especially if you're just doing a cut every now and then and not constantly. Obviously with a battery chainsaw, you haven't got to worry about that, it's just on and off as and when you want it, and also you've got no fumes when you're working in the tree either. As a business and working outside, we're always trying to be more environmentally friendly, so I think the less emissions we can work with, the better. So it is something we're always trying to do, is go emission free where we can, and also some places will specify electric equipment these days. It's much nicer using the battery saw all day, every day. You're not having to shout all the time, it's much easier to communicate with your ground crew. The most important thing every day to us is being able to get home safe and bring everyone else home safe as well. The Milwaukee saw is a very powerful saw, and it'll cut full bar length in all timbers I've used it on so far. It doesn't bog out, it never clogs up, it just keeps cutting. I didn't think the battery stuff would be as powerful as it is, so that's why I use it every day now. It's really beneficial to have all the tools running off the same battery system, because then you know you've got a fuel source for each tool. You don't have to buy as many batteries and chargers, and we use all the other Milwaukee tools for maintenance and all the machines as well, so it's really beneficial cost-wise just to have everything working under one power system. The Milwaukee top-handled chainsaw is great. It's nice and quiet, it's powerful, so it's really good for our day-to-day work.